Hi, AP Human Geography students, and welcome back. Today we are finishing Unit 1 with 1.7 Regional Analysis. This is one of the most powerful tools in human geography. Regions help us make sense of the world by grouping places based on shared characteristics. In this video, we're going to look at what regions are, types of regions, why regions matter, and how regional analysis helps us geographers interpret spatial patterns. So let's break this on down. So, a region is an area of Earth defined by at least one common characteristic. Regions help us simplify complex geographic areas by organizing space, highlighting similarities, supporting comparison. They can be based on physical traits, like climates, or human ones, like culture or politics. But remember, regions are human creations. They are tools, not facts. There are three main region types. The first is the formal region, defined by one or more measurable shared trait. It has clear boundaries. The Sahara Desert or the state of Texas are good examples of formal regions. Functional regions, also called nodal regions, are organized around a central node, a focal point. They are defined by movement or flow. A good example here is a metropolitan area connected by a public transit system. And finally, perceptual or vernacular regions, which are based on people's ideas or perceptions. Boundaries are fuzzy and subjective. The American South or the Middle East, different people will say different things. Geographers use all three to study how people interact with space. Regional analysis helps geographers understand the spatial patterns, compare economic, political, cultural trends. They can use it to predict how things spread, like ideas or goods or diseases. A good example here is to study the spread of fast food. A geographer might compare urban versus rural regions. Another example, looking at climate regions, helps understand crop distribution or disaster risk. Regions exist at multiple scales. We talked about this in the last video. Global, Latin America, Sub-Saharan Africa. National, maybe the Midwest in the United States. Local, a city neighborhood or a school district. A region's meaning can change depending on the scale. Good example, what counts as a wealthy region at the state level might look very different at the national or global level. So regional analysis always involves scale, context, and purpose. So to wrap up this final video in Unit 1, a region is an area with shared characteristics. The three main types are formal, functional, and perceptual. Regional analysis helps us understand and compare spatial patterns, and scale shapes how regions are defined and understood. By mastering regional analysis, you gain one of the most important tools in human geography. This is the last video for Unit 1. Up next in the coming weeks is Unit 2 Population. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe. Maybe hit that notification bell for future videos in AP Human Geography. Good night.